Okay, so today we had a jam-packed day. We started off this morning at the Blackstone Arts and Crafts Festival. "2024 marks the 55th anniversary of the Blackstone Arts and Crafts Festival. I think with some minor tweaks that this location would probably end up being a good long-term location. Centrally located, plenty of parking nearby. It didn't seem too crowded on the roads. In the past, the food was all in one place and all the vendors were in another place. And this year they've mixed them up a bit, so it makes it a little bit more fun. It turned out to be a really good time. My wife found a few vendors with some cool Christmas presents for friends and family. We got the big old bag of kettle corn and enjoyed that while we walked around. The music was pretty good. If I had to say this was missing something, I'd have to say a bounce house and one of those big giant inflatable slides for the kids would be a great addition, making it more family friendly.